We are really excited to be here with working with Living for Zachary Foundation. The focus is finding sudden cardiac arrest in children, and this program is funded in Dallas by Living for Zachary Foundation in cooperation with Baylor Hospital, Heart and Vascular System.
Living for Zachary's mission is to raise awareness of sudden cardiac arrest, and today we're hosting a mobile screening for students and athletes ages 12 to 22. And we've partnered with HealthFair to provide the mobile screening, NTA Life, who sponsored the event, and Baylor Healthcare System.
Here at Shelton School, we are promoting cardiovascular screenings by teaming up with Living for Zachary, HealthFair, and Baylor Hospital, and the response has been overwhelming from our parents.
Well, today we're here at a local high school with Living for Zachary and HealthFair, and we're very excited to be here today. Our plan and our mission is to team up with Living for Zachary nationwide and to help screen students and athletes across the United States. It's with HealthFair and Living for Zachary, we believe that it's critical that the students are screened as they are exerting themselves in sports programs as well as at the schools and at home. And by doing these student-athlete screenings, we can locate any type of abnormalities that may be involved in their health history as well as current cardiac abnormalities. And so today, as well as across the nation, we hope to screen students at local schools and be a part of our foundation with Living for Zachary. And we're excited to be here and involved in such a very important program.
The teen screening programs for youth that encompasses heart screenings, which is an electrocardiogram and an echocardiogram, also a blood pressure check. We've had an overwhelming response from parents in the community. There's just not enough time in the day to get enough students screened.
We received an email from a friend on our football team about the free health screening and called the 800 number, made an appointment. Everything ran smoothly. Got several emails, paperwork to fill out. Came over to the high school this morning, came in, did our testing, and very thankful.
You know, to corporate America, I just want to say one thing. Heart disease is the #1 killer in the United States and throughout the world, and we need to be aware as a corporation and as corporations that provide these types of benefits to make the people aware. If you have the knowledge, you can take action.
We are able to bring a significant amount of cardiovascular diagnostic testing in a mobile environment. We started this 14 years ago, and the end result of that was bringing the price of these tests down. We brought cardiologists together through telemedicine, and so we really have high quality testing that's being offered in these mobile units. Same types of tests that we see in the hospital setting for a significantly lower cost. The technology that's on board of these mobile units is amazing. We use telemedicine and using 4G technology, the data is transmitted in a secure portal, it's transmitted from the vehicles to the physicians for the cardiologists that are in Texas and other states that are looking at every one of those images and interpreting the condition of the heart. And so once they write their opinion, again, this is all online, they can then make those reports available to the physicians of these children so they can interview and people at the hospital, Baylor Hospital and other hospitals that are sponsoring this program.
We had actually seen the big blue bus in parking lots before and wondered about it. So when we heard about this from Shelton, we thought, wow, this is a great opportunity. And within 5 minutes after getting the email, I made the phone call and got Darby signed up.
We were honored enough to partner with HealthFair, Baylor, and Living for Zachary, and my daughter was the first one to be screened on the mobile unit in the United States and the first one for Living for Zachary. It makes me feel good to know that my daughter's safe in her sports activities. So each one of you parents, please get your child screened so that you know that you're safe also.
Our main focus is to screen student athletes to help identify possible abnormalities in the heart. And so we're very excited to get these folks screened and get the kids involved and share those results with physicians and cardiologists to make sure that they're qualified and able to play the sports and be involved and exert themselves in programs with their schools.
To have the mobile screening unit visit you in a community or in your parking lot, visit www.livingforzachary.org or www.teenscreening.com.